Introduction: the heart's essential role.
The human heart is a muscular organ at the center of the circulatory system. Its primary job is to pump blood, delivering oxygen and nutrients to every cell while removing waste products. Understanding exactly how the heart accomplishes this vital task helps us appreciate its importance and reveals why heart health is crucial for overall well-being.
Chambers and valves, heart's inner structure.
The heart has 4 chambers, 2 atria on top and 2 ventricles below. Blood flows through these chambers in a precise order. One-way valves between each chamber ensure blood moves efficiently and prevents it from flowing backward. This organized structure makes the heart a powerful, reliable pump.
Receiving blood, the journey begins.
Blood that needs oxygen returns from the body into the right atrium. From there, it passes through a valve into the right ventricle. When the right ventricle contracts, it pumps this blood to the lungs where it picks up fresh oxygen and releases carbon dioxide, preparing it for the next phase.
Delivering oxygen, blood returns and is sent out.
Now rich in oxygen, blood flows back from the lungs into the left atrium. It moves through another valve to the left ventricle, the heart's strongest chamber. The left ventricle contracts powerfully, sending oxygenated blood through the aorta and out to the entire body, nourishing tissues and organs.
Heartbeat control, the electrical system.
The heart's pumping action is triggered by electrical impulses. These impulses originate from specialized cells in the right atrium, prompting the heart to beat in a steady rhythm. This coordinated electrical system ensures each part of the heart contracts in the proper order, maintaining a continuous flow of blood.
Summary: life depends on the heart's work.
The human heart's ability to pump blood efficiently relies on its chambers, valves, and electrical system working together. With each beat, it supports life, delivering vital supplies and removing waste. Taking care of our hearts allows this essential process to continue smoothly and keeps our entire bodies healthy,